Using a drill or a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws from the ends of the control box. Remove the control box clip by squeezing the sides and lifting. Remove the plug from each port on the control box. Remove the control box from the base. Line up the new control box. Plug the light, head and foot massage and a head and foot actuators back into the corresponding ports on the control box. Squeeze the control box clip until you hear it click in place. Screw the control box in place by using a drill or a Phillips head screwdriver. Sync the remote to the control box.